We'll guide you through how to open the YouTube Studio desktop website on a mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on an iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter. So perhaps you're a creator and so you want to go and access the YouTube Studio desktop website to go and manage your channel. You can go and schedule videos there and do many other things regarding your YouTube channel. Now you may already know there is a YouTube Studio app which you can go and get. So you can get that from the Play Store or App Store. You can see here it is. So this does have some great features, but it doesn't quite have everything that the website does have, which is why you may want to go and use it. But still, you can try using it if you haven't heard of it, and it may go and fulfill your needs. But if you find that it doesn't, and you still want to go and access the website, we'll guide you through this. So to go and do this, you need to go and open up the web browser you use on your phone. So for example, on an iPhone, we use Safari. On an Android, you go and use Chrome, but you can still go and use others on your device as well. So here we are. And now to go and get here, we can actually go to a specific web address. And this is how you go and do it, because if you're not careful, YouTube will just try and redirect you to the YouTube Studio app if you've got it on your phone. So if we follow it this way, you won't go and get redirected and you can go and start using the Studio. And we'll guide you through this. So what you want to do is you want to go and tap on the address bar, whether it's at the top or bottom of your phone. And then what you need to do is go and type in studio.youtube.com, like so. And then you can go and press go. And you're going to be landed here. So it's going to say, try out the YouTube Studio app. For the best experience, use the app. But at the bottom, it will say continue to Studio. So what you can do is go and tap there, wait for it to load, and now we're here. If you aren't already, you may be prompted to go and sign into your account. And because it's for desktops, you'll need to pinch in a bit to go and navigate around. And you can go and switch by pressing your profile icon in the top right and press switch account. And you can then choose the account you want to go and use. Press continue to Studio, and I'm now using it. And we can go and start accessing things. So as I said, you need to pinch in to navigate around. Leave a like if you found this useful.